Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Are you ready to make your cryptocurrency work for you? In this video, I'll show you the top strategies to earn passive income with cryptocurrency, step by step. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow your portfolio, this guide is for you. Introduction: Why passive income with crypto is a game changer. Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Earning passive income with cryptocurrency has become one of the best ways to achieve financial freedom. Today, I'll break down the most profitable and beginner-friendly methods you can use to earn consistent rewards with minimal effort. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips on how to grow your wealth with crypto. Section 1. Staking cryptocurrency. Let's start with one of the most popular methods, staking. I have already made a video explaining this in depth that is in the description, so here is the short version. What is staking? Staking means locking up your cryptocurrency in a blockchain network to support transaction validation and earn rewards. How to start staking? 1. Choose a staking coin. Popular options include Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. 2. Use a reliable wallet or platform. Staking platforms like Binance, Kraken, or Ledger Wallet make the process simple. 3. Stake your crypto. Once staked, you start earning passive income in the form of rewards. Potential earnings. You can earn anywhere between 4% to 20% APY, depending on the blockchain. Section 2. Crypto lending. Another fantastic way to earn passive income is through crypto lending. How crypto lending works: you lend your cryptocurrency to others through platforms like Aave, Compound, or Nexo, and earn interest on your assets. Key advantages: you can lend both stable coins like USDT or USDC and popular cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Returns range from 3% to 15% AP, making it a low-risk option for steady income. Tip: for beginners, stablecoin lending is ideal because it avoids market volatility. Section 3. Yield farming for high returns. Now, let's move on to yield farming, a higher risk but potentially lucrative strategy. What is yield farming? Yield farming involves providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, SushiSwap, or PancakeSwap. In return, you earn rewards in fees and additional tokens. How to get started? 1. Choose a platform and a liquidity pair, such as ETH, USDT. 2. Deposit your funds into the liquidity pool. 3. Earn rewards from transaction fees and bonus tokens. Potential earnings. Yield farming can provide returns of 20% to over 100% AP, but always watch out for impermanent loss and platform risks. Section 4. Masternodes for long-term income. If you're tech-savvy, running a masternode is another option to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. What is a masternode? A masternode is a server that helps maintain a blockchain network, and you earn rewards for running it. Examples of masternode coins. Popular coins include Dash, PAVX, and Coin. How to set up a masternode? 1. Own the required amount of the coin, for example, 1000 Dash for Dash's masternode. 2. Set up a server to host your node. 3. Earn rewards directly from the blockchain. Potential earnings. Masternodes can generate between 5% to 15% AP, but may require upfront investment in hardware and cryptocurrency. Section 5. Cloud mining. For those interested in mining but without the hardware, cloud mining can be an alternative. What is cloud mining? Cloud mining lets you rent mining power from companies like Genesis Mining or NiceHash to earn cryptocurrency. Potential earnings. Returns can vary, ranging from 2% to 10% annually, depending on the platform and market conditions. Important tip: always research cloud mining providers thoroughly to avoid scams. Section 6. Holding dividend-paying cryptos. Finally, some cryptocurrencies pay dividends just for holding them. Examples of dividend cryptos: NEO. Holding NEO earns you gas tokens. KuCoin token. Earn a portion of KuCoin exchange's trading fees. VeChain. Hold VeChain to earn VTHO tokens. Potential earnings. Dividend payouts vary but can range between 3% and 10% annually. And there you have it. 6 powerful ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. Whether it's staking, lending, or yield farming, there's a strategy that fits your risk level and goals. Pro tip: always diversify your income streams and research the platforms thoroughly to minimize risk. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto tips and strategies. Share this video with friends who want to earn passive income with cryptocurrency.